What's up, Shiba holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Shiba. My friends, the Shiba holders are doing very big mistake. If you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so trust me, there is a chance that you will get a profit from the Shiba. Keep watching this video for more details, and please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. And this time the price of the Shiba in the market is 0.00006 USD dollar is the latest price of the Shiba And on the other side, if you talk about the price changes of the Shiba so the pricing is completely going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is going negative. Only in the last 10 minutes the Shiba start jumping. Hope they continue the same for a long time, but the previous changes is negative, and the people are also doing a very big mistake at this time, my friends. The people are afraid by the Shiba falls. They are worrying about the falls of the Shiba and the people understand that Shiba have no idea to take a pump in the future. Shiba price is going down day by day, minute by minute, and they have no idea to price pump. But my friends, you are wrong. Due to this fast, the people decide to sell, and this is your big mistake, holders. Do you decide to sell? Remember, the first rules of the cryptocurrencies market is a patience. If you have a patience, you will get a profit. If you have no patience, nothing you will get. At this time, the price of the Shiba is completely falls down. From the chart, that's clear, my friends, that the price falls down. This is just the last 3 days price update. The last 3 days pricing is negative 18.63% falls down. And now the latest price you can see here is this time. This means that the price falls down from the previous last 1 month, last 1 week. The price is continuously falls down, and people decide to sell Shiba. My friends, that's clear that the price changes is negative, so you are in the loss. So why you decide to sell, my friends? Are you mad? Why you decide to sell, my friends? You have to wait. You have to wait for a pump of Shiba holders. My friends, I know the price change is negative, going negative, but you have a patience. If you have a patience, if you hold Shiba so you will get a profit, and if you not hold, so you will get nothing, my friends. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.